Hello guys, welcome to mathematics classes by Nikita. So as you all know, we were doing the NCERT exemplar of chapter 3, that is trigonometric functions, and we have covered till question number 43. Now let's start with question number 44. So question number 44 says the value of cot of pi by 4 plus theta into cot of pi by 4 minus theta is. So the options are -1, 0, 1 or not defined. So let us see how to solve this question. So consider cot of pi by 4 plus theta into cot of pi by 4 minus theta. Okay, so what we will do is we will apply the formula of cot of a plus b and cot of a minus b. So first let me write the formulas. So I am writing here cot of a plus b is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. Okay, and the formula for cot of A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. So very important to note here. So जब a minus b होता है तो डिनोमिनेटर में cot b minus cot a आता है, ठीक है. So now just apply the formula. So we will get cot of pi by 4 into cot theta minus 1 divided by cot of pi by 4 plus cot theta. So this multiplied by cot of pi by 4 into cot theta plus 1 divided by cot theta minus cot pi by 4. Okay, so now you know that the value of cot pi by 4 is 1. So therefore you will get, so I am writing it directly. So 1 into anything is that number itself. So you will get cot theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus cot theta multiplied by cot theta plus 1 divided by cot theta minus 1. So you can see that this cancels out with this and this cancels out with this. So the answer is 1. That is option number C. So therefore the correct answer is option number C. Okay, got it? So very important is cot of A minus B का formula याद रखना. Now next question. Question number 45. Cos 2 theta into cos 2 phi plus sin square theta minus phi minus sin square theta plus phi is equal to. So 4 options are given and you have to tell the correct answer, and one hint is also given that use the formula that sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. तो जहाँ आप थोड़ा सा less used formulas used होते हैं, so they give you the hint, ठीक है. So question number 45. But the students who are preparing for entrances competitive examinations should know how to derive such formulas. अगर उन्हें याद भी नहीं है then they should know the technique that how to derive the formulas, ठीक है. बाकी अगर आप CBSE बोर्ड की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे इतने tricky questions नहीं आते, ठीक है. So let's do question number 45 now. So consider cos 2 theta cos 2 phi plus sin square theta minus phi minus sin square theta plus phi. This is equal to. So basically ये जो चीज़ है this is of the type sin square a minus sin square b. So I will write this as cos 2 theta into cos 2 phi plus, so I will write this as, use the formula that this is equal to sin of a plus b. So this will be equal to sin theta minus phi plus theta plus phi into sin of a minus b. So theta minus phi माइनस थीटा माइनस फाई, ठीक है। तो कौन सा हमने फॉर्मूला यूज करा है, दैट साइन स्क्वायर ए माइनस साइन स्क्वायर बी इज इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ ए प्लस बी इंटू साइन ऑफ ए माइनस बी। ओके, नाउ दिस थिंग कैन बी रिटन एज, तो पहले आप ये देखिए यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा आपके पास, साइन 2 थीटा हियर इन दिस टर्म, और यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा आपके पास, साइन ऑफ माइनस 2 फाई। सो देयरफॉर दिस बिकम्स कॉस ऑफ 2 थीटा इंटू कॉस ऑफ 2 फाई प्लस साइन ऑफ 2 थीटा इंटू साइन ऑफ माइनस 2 फाई. Now sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So this is again a formula which we'll be using. So this will become cos of 2 theta into cos of 2 phi minus sine of 2 theta into sine of 2 phi. तो ये किस टाइप का है, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and you know that this is nothing but cos of A plus B. So you will get cos of 2 theta plus 2 phi, which is nothing but cos of 2 times theta plus phi. Okay, so therefore the correct answer is, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, so B part is the correct answer. So therefore answer for this is B part. I hope you have understood the question. Okay, let's see question number 46. So question number 46 says the value of cos 12 degrees plus cos 84 degrees plus cos 156 degrees plus cos of 132 degree is. So the options are 1 by 2, 1, minus half and 1 by 8. So let's see. 46. Cos 12 plus cos of 84 degrees plus cos of 150 plus cos of 132 degrees. So what we will do is we will combine with this term with this term. So therefore first of all I will write this as cos of 132 degrees plus cos of 12 in one bracket, then plus cos of 156 degrees plus cos of 84. Okay, now apply the formula of cos of A plus B. So therefore this will become 2 cos of 132 degrees plus 12 degrees by 2 into cos of 132 minus 12 by 2. Okay, so this is in one bracket, then plus you will have another bracket. So again apply the formula of cos A plus cos B, which is equal to 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Okay, now just simplify this. What you will get, you will get 2 cos of 132 plus 12 is 144, and 144 divided by 2 is 72. So cos 72 degrees into cos of, so now this will be equal to cos of 60 degrees, then plus 2 cos of, now 156 plus 84 is you will get 240, and 240 divided by 2 is 120. So cos of 120 degrees into cos of 156 minus 84 is, you will get 72. Yes, 72, and 72 divided by 2 is 36. Okay, so cos of 36 degrees, and this will be equal to 2 cos of 72 degrees, and cos 60 you know is half, then plus 2 cos of 120 can be written as pi minus 60 into cos of 36 degrees. Now this cancels with this, so you are left with cos 72 degrees. So this becomes cos of 72 degrees plus, you will get cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta, so you will get minus 2 cos 60. So minus 2 cos of 60 degrees into, you have cos 36 degrees. Okay, and this is equal to cos of, now 72 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 18 degrees. Okay, and this will become minus 2 into cos 60 is again half into cos of 36 degrees, which is equal to, now cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this is sin of 18 degrees minus cos of 36 degrees. Now if you those students who prepare for the examinations, remember the value of 18 degrees as well as 36 degrees for sine and cos function. Otherwise the hint is also given here in question number 48. So I will be using these values. So therefore sine of 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1 divided by 4, and cos of 36 degrees is root of 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So just simplify this. What you will get, root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. So this cancels with this. So you are left with minus 2 by 4, which is equal to minus half. So therefore the correct option here is C part. So my answer is C part. Okay. There may be more than one methods of solving a question. I have given you the easiest method. Okay.
Now let's do question number 47. So question number 47 says that if tan of A is equal to half, tan of B is equal to 1 by 3, then tan of 2A plus B is equal to. So the options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's find. So using the formula of tan of A plus B, we can find the value of tan of 2A plus B. So given is that tan of A is equal to half and tan of B is equal to 1 by 3. Now first of all, you can see that to find this I need to know the value of tan of 2A. So first of all, let's find what is tan of 2A. So tan of 2A, the formula is tan A plus tan A. So that means 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A. So this becomes 1 minus tan square A. Okay. So now just put the value of tan A. So this will be 2 into half divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. So you will get 1 divided by 4 minus 1. That means 3 by 4. So this value will be equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Now let's find what is tan of 2A plus B. So this will be equal to tan of 2A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan of 2A into tan of B. So just substitute the values of tan of 2A and tan of B. Okay, so this will be equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. So this will be equal to, so in the numerator you will get 5 by 3 divided by, so this will be equal to 1 minus 4 by 9, which will be equal to 5 by 3, and here in the denominator you will get 5 by 9. So this will become 9 by 5. So this cancels and this cancels. So the answer is 3. So let's see which option is there. So option number C. So C is the correct answer. So therefore my answer is option C. Okay, got it? Now let's see question number 48. Question number 48 says the value of sine of pi by 10 into sine of 13 pi by 10 is. So the options are half, minus 1 by 4 and 1. and there is a hint given that you can use the value of sine of 18 degrees and cos of 36 degrees which are given in the question. So those students who are preparing for the entrance examinations should remember the values for this 18 degrees and 36 degrees also, but the students who are just preparing for the CBSE boards need not, because CBSE boards के अंदर आपका इतना नहीं पूछा जाता. So let's do question number 48. So you have to find the value of sine of pi by 10. So consider this, sorry, pi by 10 है sine of pi by 10 into sine of 13 pi by 10. Okay, now see, this can be written as sine of pi by 10 into sine of pi plus 3 pi by 10. Yes, because जब आप LCM लोगे तो 13 pi by 10 ही आएगा. And if you know what is sine of pi plus theta, it is third quadrant के अंदर lie करेगा pi plus theta. So pi plus theta, it will lie somewhere here. This is because the angle is greater than pi, so pi plus theta will lie somewhere here. Sorry, let me draw it again. So ये आपका यहाँ पे third quadrant में lie करेगा and this is the angle. So therefore in the third quadrant sine of pi plus theta is minus sine theta. So this becomes the sine of pi by 10 multiplied by minus sine of 3 pi by 10. Okay, so this will become what? Minus sine of pi by 10 into sine of 3 pi by 10, which is equal to, now pi by 10 means sine of 18 degrees and 3 pi by 10 means sine of 54 degrees. Okay, and this can be written as minus sine of 18 degrees. तो 18 degrees की वैल्यू तो आपको पता है, बट मेरे को 54 degrees की नहीं पता. So therefore I will write this as sine of 90 minus 36 degrees. 54 को मैंने क्या लिख दिया, 90 minus 36, and sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास, माइनस साइन ऑफ 18 डिग्रीज इंटू कॉस ऑफ 36 डिग्रीज. अब आप देख सकते हो आपके पास दोनों वैल्यूज यहाँ पे गिवन है, साइन ऑफ 18 डिग्रीज एंड कॉस ऑफ 36 डिग्रीज. सो नाउ जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट, √5 minus 1 divided by 4 into √5 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, and this will be equal to, तो यहाँ से आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस ऑफ, दिस इज a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी जैसा लिख रहा है, तो 5 minus 1 divided by 4 which is equal to -1. So therefore the correct answer is option, which is 16 आएगा, I'm sorry. This will be equal to this, so you'll get -1 by 4. So therefore the correct answer is C. So my answer for this is C part. Okay, got it? Now let's see question number 49. Question number 49 says the value of sine of 50 degree minus sine of 70 degrees plus sine of 10 degree is equal to. So the four options given are 1, 0, half or 2. So let's solve this question number 49. So consider sine of 50 degree minus sine of 70 degree plus sine of 10 degree. So what we will do is we will combine these two terms and we will apply the formula of sine of A minus sine of B. And I hope you remember the formula. So sine of A minus sine of B is equal to 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into sine of A minus B by 2. Okay, so we will apply this formula. So what you will get, 2 cos of 50 degree plus 70 degree by 2 into sine of 50 degree minus 70 degree by 2, and this is plus sine of 10 degrees. Now this becomes 50 plus 70 is 120 divided by 2 means cos of 60 degree, okay, into sine of 50 minus 70 is minus 20 divided by 2 means minus 10. So you'll have minus 10 degrees and plus sine of 10 degrees. This is equal to, now sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, तो minus sine आपका बाहर आ जाएगा. So minus 2 and cos of 60 is half. So I can put the value. So you'll get sine of 10 degrees plus sine of 10 degrees. This cancels with this. So you are left with minus sine of 10 degrees and plus sine of 10 degrees. So they both also cancels to give you 0. So therefore the correct option for this is B part. So answer for this question is option B. Okay, 0. Now let's see the next question. Question number 50. If sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, then the value of sine 2 theta is equal to. The four options are 1, half, 0 and minus 1. ठीक है, सो आपको साइन 2 थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है और गिवन है कि साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा इज 1. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. सो गिवन इज दैट साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा is equal to 1. So what we will do is, let's square both the sides. So squaring both the sides. So what you will get? You will get sine theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 square, which is 1. Now open the square. You will get sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 1. And this implies what? Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus, and 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta is equal to 1. And this implies what? That sine of 2 theta is equal to 0. So therefore the correct option is C. Okay, so answer for this question is C part. I hope everything is clear to you. Now let's see the next question. Question number 51. If alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, then the value of 1 plus tan alpha bracket then into bracket 1 plus tan beta is. And the four options are 1, 2, minus 2 and not defined. So question number 51. Now given is that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, and this implies that tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan pi by 4 and tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, now consider tan of alpha plus beta. Now we will apply the formula of tan of alpha plus beta. So this is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Okay, now I know that my left hand side is equal to 1. So this implies that 1 is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, now just simplify this. So you will get 1 minus tan alpha tan beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta. And this implies that tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan alpha into tan beta is equal to 1. Now I will add 1 on both the sides. So what I will get? 1 plus tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan alpha tan beta is equal to 2. And now दिस इम्प्लाइज what you can do is आप इन दोनों में से tan बीटा कॉमन लीजिए. So what you will get 1 plus tan alpha plus tan beta into 1 plus tan alpha is equal to 2. And now I will take common 1 plus यहाँ पे tan alpha आएगा, sorry. So this is alpha. Now take common 1 plus tan alpha. So you will be left with 1 plus tan beta. So this implies 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta is equal to 2. तो आपको यही फाइंड करनी थी इसकी वैल्यू. So the value of this is 2. So that means the correct answer is option number B. So B is my correct answer. ठीक है? Now let's see question number 52. Question number 52 says that if sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 and theta lies in the third quadrant, then the value of cos theta by 2 is. And the four options are 1 by 5, minus 1 by root 10, minus 1 by root 5 and 1 by root 10. So let's see question number 52. So given is that sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 and theta lies in third quadrant. Okay, I have to find the value of cos theta by 2. Now first of all, let's find what is the value of cos theta, which is equal to under the root 1 minus sin square theta. So this will be equal to under the root 1 minus 16 by 25, which is equal to under the root 9 by 25. Okay, so this will give you what? This will give you, so cos theta is basically this is plus minus. ठीक है, यहाँ पे plus minus आता है बाहर. So this will be 3 by 5 plus minus. Now since theta lies in the third quadrant, so I know that cos theta is negative. So therefore, so since theta lies in third quadrant, therefore I will take the negative value. So this is minus 3 by 5. Now we have to find what is cos theta by 2. तो हमें एक फॉर्मूला याद होगा which is cos 2 theta का. So cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं थीटा की जगह theta by 2 पुट करूँगी. So I will get that cos of theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. और यहाँ से फिर मैं cos theta by 2 की वैल्यू निकालूंगी. So therefore this implies that minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. And this implies that 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 5 plus 1, which is equal to 2 by 5. And this implies that cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 5. And this implies that cos theta by 2 is equal to प्लस माइनस 1 बाय रूट 5. आपको कौन सी वैल्यू लेनी है, प्लस लेनी है या माइनस लेनी है? देखो आपका जो थीटा है दैट वाज लाइंग इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, दैट मीन्स दैट इट वाज ग्रेटर देन पाई एंड लेस देन 3 पाई बाय 2. ओके, सो देयरफॉर थीटा बाय 2 will be greater than pi by 2 and less than 3 pi by 4, and 3 pi by 4 is less than pi. So that means theta by 2 lies in the second quadrant. तो second quadrant में भी आपकी जो cos होता है that is negative. So theta by 2 lies in second quadrant. So therefore cos theta by 2 is equal to minus 1 by root 5. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि ऑप्शंस के अंदर आपको दोनों वैल्यूज़ दी जा सकती हैं, माइनस बी प्लस बी. तो therefore the correct option is C. So my answer for this question is C. ओके, सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, साइंस का आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में कौन से ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस पॉजिटिव होते हैं और नेगेटिव होते हैं. सो आई एम स्टॉपिंग हियर. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 53. If you have any problem, please mention in the comment section, ask your doubts, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, goodbye.